Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the tools and products that help you look and feel your best every single day. Today, we're checking out a grooming powerhouse designed specifically for men, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit, Series 7 7440. This 12-in-1 system promises to cover everything from beard shaping to hair clipping, body grooming, and even nose and ear trimming. A truly comprehensive kit for the modern man. Right off the bat, the kit comes packed with versatility. It boasts a precision wheel with 40 adjustable length settings in tiny 0.02-inch increments, attachable beard and hair combs, and Braun's ProBlade technology, which claims efficiency in every stroke, even in tricky areas. The AutoSense technology is designed to adapt to hair thickness, promising consistent results across beard, body, and head hair. Add in a 100-minute cordless Li-ion battery, lifetime sharp blades, a charging stand, and a premium storage case, and you're looking at a grooming tool built to last. Since this is a men's grooming kit, my husband helped me with the hands-on testing to give you an accurate and real-world assessment. Using it was impressively straightforward. He found that the ProBlade glided smoothly across different hair types, and the AutoSense technology did make trimming faster and more efficient without pulling or tugging. The variety of attachments meant he could shape his beard with precision, trim his hair quickly, and even handle those small areas like ears and nose with confidence. One thing to note, switching between attachments took a few extra seconds, so if you're in a rush, it's something to keep in mind. The strengths are clear. This kit offers incredible versatility, precise trimming options, and solid performance across different hair lengths and textures. The battery life is excellent, and the build quality feels premium, especially with the lifetime sharp blades and durable storage case. On the downside, some may find the learning curve for the 40 length settings a bit much at first, and the kit is on the pricier side compared to single-function trimmers. In terms of value, if you're seeking an all-in-one grooming solution that can handle everything from a detailed beard style to full-body grooming, the investment makes sense. The convenience of having multiple tools in one premium package offsets the higher price. Compared to other multifunctional trimmers on the market, Braun Series 7 stands out for its AutoSense technology and long battery life. Those simpler 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 kits may be more budget-friendly if you don't need the full range of attachments. The build quality is robust. The attachments snap on securely, and the device feels solid in hand. After multiple uses, the blades remain sharp, and the battery maintains its runtime. Braun also has a solid reputation for customer support, so any issues or questions are typically handled efficiently. If you're looking for alternatives, there are less expensive multi-grooming kits that cover most basic needs, but they often lack the precision settings and adaptive trimming technology that Braun offers. For someone serious about grooming detail and versatility, this kit is a strong contender. Overall, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7 7440 delivers on versatility, precision, and durability. It's ideal for men who want an all-in-one solution for beard, hair, and body grooming, offering professional-level results at home. My husband and I were impressed by how seamless the trimming experience felt, and the variety of attachments ensures nothing is left out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this kit, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.